country. Ayan. So, try niyo na next time. Ha? Meron po? Canadian Idol, yeah. But anyway, so that was Dadalhin. So one of the theme songs of Walang Hanggan ni Julia Montes at saka ni Coco Martin. And isa lang po yun sa mga songs that I recorded and became part of Walang Hanggan official soundtrack. So Dadalhin po yun. So they called me after that, from now on, we will call you the Prince of Teleserye theme song. So marami pa po akong mga songs na nakanta, pero siguro, if I'm gonna sing all those teleserye theme songs, maybe we're still doing it 4 in the morning. It's no good. But anyway, so isa lang po yun. But going back to my story of my life, before I became a Prince of Teleserye theme songs, just so you know that I am very present, I'm very actively participating amateur singing contest. Sino po ba dito ang na-involved sa mga amateur singing contest? It could be back in when you're still in the Philippines or it could be here in Canada. So, amateur singing contest, this is something that you don't say, nako, hindi magandang achievement yan. It's not a good achievement, but in fact, that makes you stronger. That's make you, it's a good training ground. So, when I was still 15, 16, 17 years old, so I'm very active joining amateur singing contests. And I vividly recall that isa sa mga songs, at the very first song, yan, so, let's make it a little bit personal, di ba? So the very first song that I sang ever in my life, syempre, with this kind of audience and then stage, was Wildflower. Anyone familiar? Like, do you know that song, Wildflower? Hindi po White Flower, ha? I know that you guys are much familiar with White Flower because this is what you apply in your dito every time you have headache. So that's not it. So hindi po yun. So White Flower po. So yung kauna-unahang kong song na kinanta. And I'm very happy because for the longest time I'm going to sing this for you all. Ayan. And clap, clap, clap tayo. But this time I'm going to sing a little bit version of it. So I'll do a little bit jazz. Yeah. So sino po ba dito ang mga jazz singer? Or sino ba dito ang mahusay mag-ballroom dancing? Anyone? Who wants to dance here? Find your partner, ha? If you don't have a partner, that's not my problem. Find your partner. Diba? As I sing this song, man, ikaw. Ate Joanne, where's your partner? Diba? December 14 is very important day of your life. Diba? This is the meeting date. Diba? Alright, so guys, speaking of Wildflower, again, just look at your partner. If you want to stand up and dance with your partner, please do so. This is a jazz version of it. Alright, take it away, DJ.